Hey there, welcome to Createful Art. We're celebrating Createful Christmas, and today I would love to show you how to paint
a watercolor Christmas tree.
If you haven't already, go subscribe at createfulart.com so you can have access to more Createful Christmas content. The supplies that I use are in the description below. So for the first step, I'm going to draw a triangle, okay? So I'm going to make it so that my point comes almost to the top and it's in the center of both sides. The card is going long ways, okay? And then I'm going to end it over here on this side, and I have room for my long trunk here, and end it on this side, okay? So now you can use a straight edge to help you. I'll just use the side of this. If you're using pencil, just do it very lightly. And then your trunk will go right in here, down to about right here. So when you're done with that, you're ready for the next step. For this step, you're going to paint the garland. You can use whatever color you would like. You could paint it red, gold, silver, blue, whatever color. But what you need for this is you need your round brush. Now I'm going to use gold for this. What you're going to do is you're going to start over here from the side, and you're going to paint the garland going from side to side, and I'm going to come up to that. And then I'm going to come down to about right here. I'm going to come to here. So I like to go from this side to this because I'm right-handed. And then when you get to this point, you're actually going to take your garland and go down below your triangle and then to this side to about right here, not to your point, but above your point. And then you're done with your garland. Now for this step, you're going to paint your trunk. Now you don't need to go all the way to the top of your tree right here. We're just going to go right below the garland, okay? And you can paint it brown, you can paint it green, you can paint it whatever colors you want. For this step, you're going to paint the ornaments. So you could go with red ornaments, purple, silver, oh gosh, there's so many different colors. So I'm going to go with the complementary color of gold or yellow, and I'm going to go with a purple, okay? So I'm going to use this purplish blue, and I'm going to go with like a silvery purple. So the placement of these ornaments are really what makes the difference here, okay? So right here near the top, but not the top, I'm going to add a circle. Q-tip would make this really fast, but I don't have a Q-tip, so I'm just going to do this. Okay, and then place this one right here, and you're going to bring it on to that other side, and just offset that with one down here. Okay, and then one over here, right on the edge. Okay, and then one over on this edge. One right really close to the middle, but up a little more than that one. And then this one's the key, right down here below your triangle. One right here, a little offset from that one. Come over a little bit. And then one more. Where do you think that next one should go? I bet you're thinking somewhere in here, and that's because your eye's wanting to balance that. So let's go ahead and add one right there. Okay, and then you're done with putting on your ornaments. Now we're going to paint the green part of the tree. And what you want to do is you want to start with the lighter color. Don't add too much pigment, and then you're just going to add in little rounds wherever you want. Okay, and the key is to not go over your garland. and not run into your ornaments. It doesn't matter the size. You can have some that are really big, some that are really small. You can run these into each other and fill it in with the first color. Okay, so once you have your first layer of dots down, now you're going to go to your other color and you're going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to mix both of these colors together. You get a little bit of a different color. And as you can see, where some of them dried it was lighter, where some of them had more pigment it was darker. You just go with the flow, and now you want to fill in the white areas. You can go over dots and then keep filling it in. Okay, so once you get to this point, you can add more dots if you wish. Okay, and that's just what you kind of have to do, is look around, see if it's balanced between dark and light areas. Okay, and notice how I went all the way to this edge, all the way to that edge, and all the way to that edge. Okay, and then once you're done with this, all you need to do is sign your work, and that's what that looks like. Ta-da! Thank you so much for creating with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a very Merry Christmas. On this channel, we learn about art, we get creative, and we do do-it-yourself art projects that will look great in your home. If that sounds great to you, I hope that you subscribe, and also check out these other videos. See you in my next video. Bye!